Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss the major 10 stocks of Nifty according to the weightage and the major indexes like Bank Nifty, Nifty, crude, gold, silver, and USD INR. So we will discuss. So this is 1 minute chart as you seen yesterday. Like as you have seen, this was yesterday's chart. This was earlier support. This pattern it made like a flat. It might be 1 and 2 or 3, 4 or 5. Something it will happen. Okay. So we'll see first daily chart. So what it says, as per the trend following system, today we need to go for sell once it closes or like stays below previous days low. That is 14,458. Okay. But the way it moved, if you take this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 candle sideways, 1, 2, 3, 2 candle sideways, 3 and 3 candle sideways. If it opens somewhere around here or near 14,500 or 14,517, then there is a chance like one more up before it can go any further down. So I'll add channels so that it will give a some hint where it can land. Okay. Okay. This is a daily chart and this is a daily channeling. If I go to hourly chart, I just modify a little bit so that it will give a gross high and lows. Okay. So for the next week, what we need to expect in case of Nifty is, for example, here it comes like this 1, 2. Maybe it's a part of the third, 3, 4, and 5. So it will come down first, then take a support and go upside. If it is not a faster, because if you see this is a actual sell started yesterday, because the way it moved faster and closes below maybe within the time. So I'm just removing all those, so we'll check with the time too. So this is the lowest point and this is the highest point. Yeah, this has closed below, this candle has closed below this, but now when the sell starts, whenever it goes below this or closes below 10,400 and change, okay, there we will be looking for the sell or else a small sideways movement and then one up if it is sideways. Okay, for example, let's say if this is like going in a sideways, so there is a chance one up before it can go any further down. So here or from the top it will fall. For the next week, what we need to do is, as it has given on the hourly basis a sell, so presently we need to stay in a sell until and unless it crosses above the 14,644. Okay, stay in a sell until and unless it crosses the level of 10,644. So this is the one more trend line. So it has given a trend line breakout, and secondly in time. So we can expect some downside movement, that is for 14,283 and further to 14,069. Okay, if it falls further. But it opens, let's say it opens somewhere around 14,488 or 490, there is a chances that it might go first up, okay, form something like a triangle or like expanding triangle, then there is a chance of going one upside. Okay, but if goes below this or lower than the previous day's low, then there is a chances of going down is more in case of Nifty. Okay, So make sure that if it's open somewhere around here and not going downside, so there is a chance it will be going to touch for 14,600 first, then downside. If it is slower, then it's fine, it will go upside. If it is faster, then one more little down, then upside, to make this whole structure as a triangle pattern. Okay. Bank Nifty. All right. Right. So here Bank Nifty has crossed the trend line, if you see here, but not in the faster form or not in time, right? So I'll be adding the time. So here there is a chance, means last minute candle, or if tomorrow it opens somewhere around here with a gap down, we may expect some down. If not, let's say below this, if it opens slower, if it happens, then it might go one up before it can go any further down. Okay. Or if it opens somewhere around here, same as a Nifty, it will go first up, then to the downside. So firstly, you need to stay in a sell below 32,160 and buy above 32,465 for further upside. Okay. Same view that of the Nifty in case of Bank Nifty. So it will come to this area once it does the upside moment. Gold. Okay. Last week we have discussed this, like stay in a sell mode, because it was giving some consolidation after this faster downside moment. I said, like, if it is going to touch the trend line, then there is a chance it will fall one more downside. But the overall structure, if you see in case of gold, I'll just go to the daily structure. Okay, I'll remove everything now. So here this is two-way structure, A, B, and C. Okay, maybe it's a complex correction like this. So it's A, B, C again, right? So from here something has started for the upside, or this whole pattern A, B, C, D, and E, that can also possible with this, like D and E. This total E is a triangle. Just add this like. Okay. So what we need to see here is how it is moving compared to this race. It is faster, right? It is faster and below maybe 45-degree angle. So what we can expect for the next week is two possible pattern here, like A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. If it is 4, the smaller 5. Maybe like if it is not crossing this and if it is coming inside the structure, then there is a chance it will go upside, maybe from reversing from this angle to make this as one more down. That will happen. Or let's say faster it goes, it will go to 1760. So look for the sell setup in case of gold for at least 1800 and 1760. If it is touching this or reversing from 1800, so we can expect some pullback before it can go any further down or further up. Okay, so here in case of gold, look for the sell structure or sell setup, not for the buy. Silver, nothing structurally had changed, so look for sell up to the level of 24 and 22, or at least to one down, that is for the 24. Maybe the structure, like for example here it comes and goes again, goes down, so that will also count as like A, B and C for the downside. So look for sell setup, not for the buy in case of silver too. What about crude? So in the earlier week, we were in the buy, I hope, for at least 50, 52. Yes, that has 50 USD we said. So 53 it went. Brilliant. So now what we can expect is it will go and stay little bit upper side. So it may face some resistance at the level of 57 or 56. Okay. So for that, you need to stay in a sell mode. Firstly, to maybe a daily structure, it will come little bit down into the upside. So hourly, what it says, so I'm removing this. So in case of crude, look for buy. Maybe it will come little bit down or to the level of 50 USD and goes one more up for at least 54 and further to 56 and 57. So look for buy setup, not to sell in case of crude for the next week. USD INR. Last week we were in the buy. The whole structure is in the form of triangle or like long consolidation. Yes, it is happening the same way. So look for buy for 74 and 75. Then it will, how it behaves, that depends. If it's faster, it will go to the high, otherwise it will be consolidating and one more down. So presently you can look for the buy for at least 75. Further goes, then we will be staying according to this picture. That is like a three-way structure: one, two, three, four and five, at least to this, that is 77 once again. Okay. So individual stocks, HDFC, uh, similar. So look for sell setup until and unless it crosses the 02 trend line or 0B trend line, this one, and going upside only above this high, that is 2772. So until then you can stay in a sell mode. Maybe structure is doing like this and one more if it is slower, so one more down. So look for sell setup for 2520, not for the buy. HDFC Bank. So here you can stay in a buy because structurally hasn't changed much. So it may take some support and go upside. So look for buy setup for 1600, not for the sell. Okay, it may come little bit down. So I'm removing everything so that it will be clear. Now the new structure will be this until and unless it crosses this trend line. So we won't be selling in case of HDFC Bank. Okay, this may be A, B. So we are going to go for the C. So now it is for the buy, maybe doing this, but it will be going to go for buy. So look for buy setup at least to this presently, that is for 1550. Then we will further look if it crosses this trend line and stays above this. For example, if it happens and closes above this, then it will be going to go for sharper upside move. That is for 1600. Okay. Hindustan Unilever. So just remove everything. So we were in the sell maybe like last week. But if I see this trend line, one more trend line will be to this. Presently we were like this inside. I said for the buy. It is sideways. So one up is definitely going to go in case of Hindustan Unilever because the sideways market or sideways movement after upside. So for me, this If it happens a little bit down also, they will be going to go for one up. So that will complete the structure of this kind of moment. So look for buy in case of Hindustan Unilever. Maybe to the 2325 it's fine, or may surge up to the level of 2262. But that will be again going to go for one more upside. So before it can go any further down, for example, if it may happens, so that it will change the color. Yeah, these are the two possibilities, but look for the buy, not for the sell. Here it may come to the level of 2317 or 2316 and reverses from there. ICICI Bank, nothing changed as per the structure. It has moved above the structure, and the movement is the slower form. So one can look for the buy, not for the sell in case of ICICI Bank too, because it is a slower. Let's say if it happens like this and goes slower, and if it breaks in a faster form, so I will make clear what it is in a faster form. For example, let's say if whatever it is happening presently, it goes slower to the sideways, okay, and falls faster. Means the level of this has broken in lesser time. So that will be turning to the sell side. Otherwise, we will be going to stay in a buy. Here it has broken the trend line, but not in a less time, right? If you take from this, or if you take from this angle also, it will be like this. So it is taking more time, right? So there is a chances it will go one first upside before it can go any further down. So upside, if it is going faster, we will be going for the upside. Otherwise, we will be looking for the sell. So here, as per this chart now, stay in a buy, maybe above 546 or something. Then we'll be looking, if it comes down, we'll be looking for the sell structure. Infosys, I said look for the buy earlier. Like from here, if it comes down also, it will be going to go for one up. But from here directly, it was gap up and touch the high of 1375. So I'll remove everything now. We'll be going one more channeling. The longer term, this or this, or from this angle, maybe this is right. Some new structure has started from here. Yes, I'll add this. Again, if I see the movement for the upside, for example, this is like upside, right? It is going down, so maybe to the slower. So one more upside, or maybe this. So we can expect some consolidation in case of Infosys before it can go any further up or further down. Okay. So I'm expecting this structure, or maybe like from here, if it reverses, then it will be going to go for one upside. So look for buy, not for the sell in case of Infosys. ITC, as said earlier, so it will be going to go for one up. After this C, it will be going to go offset, or else it will be making the structure that of the triangle and going up. So stay in a buy up to the level of 236 or 230, or up to this channel 231. Don't look for the sell in case of ITC. Look for the buy. Kotak. So earlier said like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 it is doing, or it might be the part of this whole correction. What is that part of the correction? Maybe this is like A, B, and C. This is A, B, and C. Now it is 1, 2. Maybe this is like 3, 4, and 5 will come. Okay. But as it is a slower form, it is not a faster to the downside. So it may be the part of correction. So you can look for smaller sell. Then we will look buy from this angle. For example, like this. If it comes down and move from there, whatever the percentage, maybe the 36 or to the 61%. From there it will move upside. So as of now, you can look for the smaller sell, maybe to the level of 1794 or 1796, then look for the buy setup. LNT. So we ask for the buy. So stay in a buy mode. Structurally hasn't changed much. It is going a sideways, but until and unless it gives the confirmation, we are not going to sell, right? Because here again, this is a upside move and this is a sideways move. A one up can be expected before it can go any further down. So here we can expect some fall maybe to the level of this. That's fine. For that also, you need to get a confirmation below the 1343. It needs to close in lesser time. Okay. Reliance, as earlier discussed, like here it might be the A and B will be going for the C, and structurally hasn't changed much, and the very long consolidation. So I am removing everything. So for example, this is like a 1 2 3 4 or 5, or this correction, let's say after this also, if it goes sideways, it will be going to go one up before it can go any further down, because this whole structure is looking like ABC or some kind of 1 2 3 or ABC. Most of the time the structure will go to the 80%. So 80% will be to this. So that will be A, B, and C. So until and unless it crosses below the level of 1837, don't look for sell. Stay in a buy or in a sideways movement. So it will be going to go for at least this or this. So look for buy, not for sell. TCS, I'm removing this. TCS, we asked or stayed in a buy in earlier week. So we'll be looking for the buy setup only. There is no sell or confirmed sell yet, because after this moment again, the one upside and going in a sideways. So there is a chances it will go first to the upside before it can go any further down, or in the form of 1 2 3 4, and if it's 1 2 3 4 a smaller 5, and will come to the downside. Okay, but firstly to the look down upside, if you bought already, you can book somewhere around 3200 or something. Yeah, 3200 or 3260. Then we will be looking for the downside or how the structure behaves. Okay, Bajaj Finance. Yeah. Maybe last week we said stay in a sell because it is going in a sideways, or maybe in the form of like this, A and B and C. Now again, like it is in a slower form. Let's take this as a A, this as a B, and this as a C. So after this, it will be going to one up, right, to complete this structure before it can go any further down or further up. So presently from here, or from the level of 4972 or 4972, yeah, one can look for the buy for at least 80% of this. Visually I'm saying 5340. Okay, this is for the next week. So hasn't changed much structurally. If it comes faster, that will be again like a different structure, but as this structure moved and going in a sideways, there is a chances like it will be consolidate in between this price before it can go any further upside. Okay, so this is for the week, next week. So stay safe. So whenever you have a doubt, you can message me, or if you find this video useful, please do subscribe and ask your friends to watch and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.